I had one when I was 8 years old.
It's a Red Ryder.
Oh.
Let's see it.
Be careful, the pelts will go all over.
They go over.
Excuse me.
I'm true. Can I have the knife?
What'd you do with the babies?
Take the pride. It's a daisy.
Watch, those are staples. Why didn't you take it out like you did in the movie? It's alright, go ahead. Go ahead, I'm sorry, go ahead.
It doesn't open that way.
Yes, it does.
Oh, okay.
You get some games.
It won't open.
There you go.
I'm taking a video.
You knew I wanted a BB gun.
Look this way, I'm taking a video.
You are going to read this too.
I am. I know how to work with
Wait, I need a coin.
Jack, can
There's
you
a
help me?
coin on them. Does anybody have anything to scratch
That's why I
the
did a
top
shotgun one. So it's not like...
It's just like the one in the movie.
with? I don't... What, can I have something to scratch this off with?
Look at the camera and say, thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
Now there's